Lysosomes. Lysosomes are waste disposal and a recycling unit of the cell. They are produced by the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus. The lysosomes are digestive sacs that can break down macromolecules in the cell using the process of hydrolysis. The digestion is carried out with lysosomal enzymes found in the lysosome. Like waste disposal in a city, lysosome helps in the disposal of waste material in the cell. The lysosomes also serve as recycling centers for the cell by engulfing old organelles by autophage and making its molecules available for the formation of new organelles. Vacuoles and microbodies. The vacuoles and vesicles can play the role of warehouses, water towers or garbage dumps of the cell. Vacuoles are membranous sacs which transport and store water and other materials. They can hold many substances from organic molecules to simple excess water. There are three types of vacuoles, namely food vacuole, central vacuole and contractile vacuole. Food vacuoles store food taken in by the cells and later works in conjunction with the lysosomes. Central vacuole in plants serve as a large lysosome which help plants grow in size and store vital chemicals as well as maintaining plant turbidity. Contractile vacuoles are found in number of protists and play a role in osmoregulation. While the microbodies are cytoplasmic organelles of a more or less globular shape that comprises of degradative enzymes for metabolic activities bound within a single membrane. Peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are found in all eukaryotic cells. They contain oxidative enzymes such as catalase and urate oxidase. Like mitochondria, peroxisomes are major sites of oxygen utilization. One hypothesis is that peroxisomes are vestige of an ancient organelle that had performed entire oxygen metabolism in the primitive ancestors of eukaryotic cells. Peroxisomes differ from mitochondria and chloroplast in many ways. Notably, they are surrounded by only a single membrane and they do not contain DNA or ribosomes. Like mitochondria and chloroplast, however, peroxisomes are thought to acquire their proteins by selective import from the cytosol. Because they have no genome, all of their proteins must be imported. Peroxisomes thus resemble the endoplasmic reticulum in being a self-replicating membrane-enclosed organelle that exists without a genome of its own. Now, we have understood the complexity of eukaryotic cell as compared to prokaryotic cell. The main feature of eukaryotic cell is the presence of well-developed nuclear envelope bound nucleus. The membrane-bound organelles are also present as cytoplasmic inclusion bodies, which is a distinguished feature. Now, we have studied that eukaryotic cell is divided into two major categories, namely eukaryotic plant cell and eukaryotic animal cell. The difference between them is the plant cell consists of cell wall and chloroplast, while generally animal cell are devoid of these features.